So we know how to log into Wixie, we know how to open a new project, and we're ready to start drawing. So let's look at how to use the pencil tool and the paint bucket. So we're ready to start drawing. We're going to go to the paint palette or easel and click once. And here's their paint tools. Today we're going to look at the pencil, the paint bucket, the eraser, and undo. When you see the size of your pencil tip, it's quite large. I'm going to take it and move it all the way to the 1 so that when you draw your lines, it gives definition to your picture, but it doesn't distract your viewer from enjoying your picture. You would continue to do your drawing before starting to paint. We also know that we don't want our tree to float or any of our objects to float, so we put in the ground. We can also add a skyline in, making sure we go all the way over. So we've drawn all our things that we want to draw. We go to the paint bucket. But I notice there's some lines here I'd like to erase. I'm going to go to the eraser, and when I want to take away just a little bit, that's when I use my eraser, like that. If I want to take away something that I drew that I didn't like, I would click undo. So let's try this paint bucket. I know that I want the trunk of my tree to be brown, and I click. Oh, let me undo. There's a problem. My brown should not go into the top of my tree. I'm going to take the zoom and I'm going to go in closer. There's the problem. Let me go back to my pencil and back to black. I have to close up that little tiny space, and now I zoom back out. Let's try it again. I go to brown. I can go there. Let me try the green. I'm going to go a little darker intensity and paint the top of my tree. I might use the pencil a little bigger if, for example, that's not quite big enough. Let me make it a bit bigger. I might want to put some apples in the tree, and then all I have to do is click to make those apples with my pencil tip larger. So enjoy using these drawing tools.